Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DKNG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very nice recovery so far underway on DKNG. I mean, to think about just on Monday, the price was down at these lows and in a sense now worked its way back up to this area of the chart. Still work to be done, but overall taking, a much different shape than what things were looking like not that long ago. But if there is going to be any sort of return of bullishness, the level that I think a lot of people are going to be watching, so I'm not trying to say that what I'm about to do here took an immense amount of talent. I assure you people with basic chart knowledge, can draw trend lines like this. And they're going to be wondering, and rightfully so, yeah, the price is bouncing, but still it's got this lower high here and it's, this trend line here. So while none of this is guaranteed, it's definitely a more than valid question to be asking. Yeah, it's trying to make its way upwards, but there is still the threat of it putting in a lower high. And, that could, eventually cause the price to roll back over. But if it can actually break up through that trend line here, then that could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure, just because what? Well, just because it broke some area on a chart. And that's what call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. Sometimes that's just how a stock price is going to move. Some level on a chart is broken, some line is broken, and then there it goes. And going into Wednesday, that line is representing that right there. Now, another area where, not guaranteed to happen, but if the price can get a good high volume break of that trend line, at that point would not be shocking at all to see the price make a good, effort to run up to $56, if not even higher than that. So keep an eye on those couple areas from the resistance side of things. As far as levels of support are concerned, in the very near term, the ideal level that you would want to see the price hold up above would be right there at 52.50. But if 52.50 can't quite hold up, next area after that down there right around the $50.65 mark. But all in all, very interesting setup with that trend line. Let's see how things play out on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.